Is it looking drier for next week? Are we going to make it snow for Halloween? These are all questions you would expect simple answers for, but you may have noticed that all week the Met Office meteorologists have been making a point of the fact that all our models are predicting different outcomes. So we are just going to pick one and go with it. I'm Aletia, put your deek in me, and this is your deep dive weather in theory from the Met Office. Well, one of our dodgy models has guessed there is a few anomalies out over the Atlantic in relation to our once harmonic jet stream. And this, I am being told, is what's known as a trough, you know, that thing you can lead a horse to. Now, the reason it's called a trough is a simple one. What you're seeing there in pink is clouds of toxic gas released by these things. Cows. You see, when huge groups of steaks get together like this, they release farty gas into the atmosphere, and that can often manipulate the jet stream and contribute to global warming-y, climate-y change stuff. So whose fault can this be? We asked several scientists from deep under Bill Gates's house, and they said it's definitely the fault of the poor. That's you, by the way. Now, this is the Met Office model's projection as of last night, although it can become unpredictable as it runs on human blood. So if we don't keep feeding people into it, a bit like the Little Shop of Horrors, then it gets less accurate. And now I know you must be thinking, what the hell am I on about, right? Where did this Met Office model come from? Remember that total eclipse of the sun about a week ago? I was walking in the wholesale forecast district that day, and I passed by this place where there's this old Chinese man. He sometimes sells me weird and exotic weather forecasts because he knows strange forecasts are my hobby. He didn't have anything unusual there that day. So I was just about to, you know, walk on by when suddenly and without warning, there was a total eclipse of the sun, and there was this strange humming when the light came back. This weird weather prediction model was just sitting there. And so this is the model that we are going to be using. Now we have our future excuses set for when we don't see the hurricane coming that devastates your area. So please remember, everyone, in the unfortunate event such a thing does happen, then we did tell you our models were shit, so don't come crying to us. Now then, your week ahead is looking colder than usual, and that's absolutely not because they switch the chemicals at this time of year that they theoretically do not spray above your head each day. If there were really an elite cabal of weather manipulators, I bet they would be so excited at the thought of pushing their chemically enhanced snow experiments down the public's throat at Christmas. But there isn't a group like that, so you shouldn't get that noticeably different kind of cold, the kind that hurts as soon as you step out into it. As if you wasn't confused enough these days by your weather forecast. But now it seems to be becoming apparent that we are just as confused as you are. On that note, please don't forget to remember not to forget all those things we asked you to remember to forget about. I am Aletia Putya Deek in me, and that was your weather. Please remember, people, if you watched it and you liked it, please share it so others can enjoy it as well. Don't forget to check out Liam Stoneley on Facebook, liam.stoneley.9, YouTube at Weather.realoaded, and TikTok fred.hedge.hog. Thanks for watching.